Alright, welcome back to reality. Ever notice how everyone talks about discipline, like it's this magical life hack, but nobody tells you how to actually get it? Well, buckle up, buttercup, because today I'm dropping 10 brutally honest facts about how I became more disciplined, so you can steal my secrets and pretend you did it all on your own. Ready? Let's ruin your excuses forever. You know those viral videos showing people doing 10 things in 10 seconds? Yeah, I am gonna need you to take 10 seconds to hit that like button, because I am about to blow your mind with knowledge. No funny games. Let's do this. Fact number 1. I treat my brain like a naughty puppy. Yep, listen up, hotshot. Discipline is basically puppy training, but for your wandering mind. If you don't teach it where to poop, it'll poop everywhere. So I set clear rules. Phone off during work. Bedtime is non-negotiable. Distractions get a timeout. Puppy brain, meet your new crate. Want a real-life example? Okay, I make my phone go to jail every morning. It's face down, far away, out of sight, out of mind. Is it annoying? Yes. Does it build discipline? Hell yeah. Why? Because I'm teaching my brain where to focus. Just like a puppy needs to learn to pee outside, I need to learn to stay focused on work. Consistency, baby. But wait, I know what you're thinking. What about breaks? Doesn't that defeat the whole purpose? Nope, not if you schedule them. In fact, fact number 2 is going to help you master this. Fact number 2 minus 1, schedule my laziness. Look, I'm not anti-lazy. I'm pro-intentional. I schedule laziness like any other appointment. Want to watch a show? Great, put it in your calendar. Want to scroll social media? Knock yourself out. Just make it an appointment. This way, you're not wasting time beating yourself up for scrolling TikTok for 4 hours straight. You already allocated that time for your doom scroll sesh. I call this junk food for your brain. In fact, I eat the frog first. Then I reward myself with my favorite unproductive activities. First, tackle your most hated task, then treat yourself like a toddler. An all-access pass to your favorite time waster. The goal, balance, baby. Control your chill. Don't let your chill control you. Now, once you've scheduled your laziness, you're ready to conquer the world. And fact number 3 will help you climb those corporate ladders without losing your soul. Fact number 3, I make goals so tiny, they're embarrassing. Remember that time you set New Year's resolutions and by February, you forgot what they were? Yeah, me too. Here's the fix. Forget sweeping changes. Break your big goals into tiny ones. Write 1 sentence. Do 5 push-ups. Read 1 paragraph. Momentum is your secret weapon, aka discipline's BFF. And tiny wins build on each other like dominoes. 1 win leads to 2, then 3. Suddenly you're on a roll. How do I know this works? Well, fact number 4 is going to let you catch some Z's and still crush your goals. Fact number 4, I use sleep like a cheat code. Listen up, champ. Your willpower is like your phone battery. Ignore it, and it dies by 3 p.m. So guard your sleep like a toddler guards their snacks. 7 to 8 hours, no screens before bed, blackout curtains, white noise, the whole 9 yards. You ever tried staying up late to work on your passion project and ended up crying into a bowl of cereal at 2 a.m.? Yeah, I've been there. Don't be that person. Your brain needs rest to recharge. Can't outwork a fried brain. It's science. And if you're skeptical, just remember this. Fact number 5, I don't trust motivation. The motivation, that flaky friend who says, I'll be there for you, and then ghosts you every time. I stopped waiting for motivation to show up. I just do the thing anyway. Show up messy, tired, uninspired, just show up. Then guess what? Motivation loves to crash the party once you start. Think of it like putting on a jacket. You never feel like it, but once you put it on, you're glad you did. So the next time you're feeling lazy, just start. And if you're struggling, fact number 6 might just be your personal trainer. Fact number 6, I talk to myself like a drill sergeant. Not kidding. I literally say, get up now. Discipline is 50% pep talk, 50% verbal smackdown. Talk to yourself like you'd talk to your best friend if they were being useless. Firm, encouraging, a bit rude. Works every time. For example, instead of saying, "Oh, I failed again," I tell myself, "That was pathetic. Let's try again." No sympathy, no excuses. Just constructive criticism and tough love. Kind of like having your own personal drill sergeant in your head. But wait, even drill sergeants need a breather. Let's talk about fact number 7. Fact number 7. I make boredom my bestie. We quit too fast because boredom feels bad. But boredom is the boot camp where discipline grows apes. I crave boredom. I seek it out. It's where the magic happens. The secret is sitting with it. Working anyway, the day you can work bored is the day you win. Congratulations, you're now officially unstoppable. But wait, unstoppable people still mess up, right? That's where fact number 8 comes in to save the day. Fact number 8, I forgive myself fast. Missed a workout? Ate the entire pizza? Welcome to the club. We've all been there. Discipline dies when you dwell on failure. So I fail fast, forgive faster, and get back on track before my inner critic finishes its TED Talk. Remember, you're human. It's okay to screw up. Just don't screw up twice. Learn from it and move on. But sometimes even that isn't enough. That's where fact number 9 comes in to bribe your way to success. Fact number 9. I bribe myself shamelessly. Dangle a reward in front of your lazy self. Finish this report? Cool, you get a fancy coffee. Hit the gym? Sweet, binge an episode guilt-free. It's adulting positive reinforcement, except you're both the dog and the owner. So let's recap. We trained our brain, scheduled our laziness, made tiny goals, protected our sleep, ignored motivation, talked ourselves up, embraced boredom, forgiven ourselves, and bribed ourselves. We covered all the bases. But you know what? None of these tips matter if you don't remember them. So here's your final cheat code. Fact number 10. I do it even when it sucks. Yep, discipline is that cactus you hug every day. You know, the one with the thorns? You do it anyway. It sucks sometimes. That's why it's called discipline. If you wait to feel ready, you'll be waiting forever. Just show up. That's half the battle. Being consistent when you don't feel like it is the definition of discipline. That's it. That's the hack. So, are you going to train that puppy brain? Or keep cleaning up its messes? Comment, no more excuses. If you're in, hit that like button. Subscribe for more tough love with a side of sarcasm. Now go, and don't come back until you've done one tiny thing for your future self today. Deal? Deal? See you in the next one. Get to work.